Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I just dropped the boat in the water, if you can't tell. Today's video, obviously, if you can't tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the whole boat, what Tiny Boat Nation did to it, what Michael did to it. And I brought it out to the water so that way you guys could see the pumps working, the live well, the bilge pump, and then the recirculation pump for the live well. There's like 4 pumps. Got her did, folks. She's in the water. We're gonna be doing a little bit of fishing as well. I'm gonna try flipping because I don't know, I feel like trying flipping even though I suck at it. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown on TittyUber and you guys can enjoy. So stay tuned and we're gonna get right to it and then we'll head out and go fish pretty much. So stay tuned because today commences now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure you guys could hear me. So I'm gonna start with the trolling motor. This is a new trolling motor. It's not a Mint Coda, it's a Motor Guide. 24 volt, I think it's a 72 pound thrust. I'm not really sure, but so far it's been really nice as far as like moving me around and up and down the current as well. So what he did right here was he made a plug-in for it that goes right there and it runs all the way down to where the center of the boat where the batteries are located. So that's how that looks right there. The way he did the batteries is kind of unique because they're not in the back and they're not way up front. It's kind of to distribute the weight kind of evenly so that way when I drive I'm not leaning to one side. Also, it keeps the water. It helps me plane out a lot quicker. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's not that giant of a motor, it helps me plane out fairly quickly. So I mean, that's what that's for. I think that's what he said. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Up here we have also the recessed foot pedal trolling motor. That's actually really nice because I don't have to like stand way up here now. I could just like barely lift my leg up. And so that's pretty nice. What the trolling motor is mounted on, there's I believe he left the aluminum plate that's right here, and he just put a gator skin over it. If you guys don't know what that is, go check out his videos, and then you guys can purchase that stuff and put it on anything. He says it's virtually indestructible. I'm gonna put that to the test, and yeah. So talking more on that, there's another metal plate that comes down here. He put carpet over it. He riveted up, and I'm not gonna get into detail of like what he did to it. If you guys want those videos, go check out his channel because he has all the videos on that. I'm just giving like a rundown on the final product as to like what he did real quick, and then like just how it looks pretty much because it's freaking hot out here, and I can't get into detail like that because he knows a lot more than I do as to what he did. So go check out his channel if you want to see the actual boat build take place. But let's continue this so we can get it over with because it's freaking hot. It's hot, man. It's like 90. All right, so up here, also in the front, right next to the recessed foot trolling motor, we have some compartments here, and this is one of the like 9 compartments we have. Up here we have these little bait holders. I haven't put too much up there yet, but I plan on it. So I could just put like crankbaits and stuff, and they'll never like, watch, see, they'll just never get stuck on anything down there. And I have some plastics over there. He has on most of the compartments that he put these little hydraulic little arms right here, so that way my doors can stay up. And it's really nice having this right by the trolling motor because I could just fish, boom, bend down, lift it, tie on, boom. I have a couple videos already out of me actually utilizing it, and it's pretty cool. I've never had anything like this. And the same thing with this side. They fit like 5 of these boxes right here, but I don't have 5 of those boxes. And I have like line and stuff here, some baits up here, but you guys get it. I don't remember how many gallons this one was right here, but like I said, you guys could go look at that on his videos. He put some decals up here. We got the cheater baits, obviously, because that's what's just slaunching it. Tiny Boat Nation, obviously you guys know him. Bass Tracker, Tiny Boat Nation. Then he made kind of like, and then we get down to like this portion of the boat. So he put another storage compartment right here, and he put like little Velcro straps so that way when I'm driving, that stuff won't fall out. But I have like life jackets or whatever in there. Same thing over here with the little hydraulic arm. He actually put a light in this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right down here, little blue light, and that works out pretty well at night. So that's how the Velcro thing goes right there. See, you guys can see that. Then this is the big compartment. This is like the 12-gallon thing, I believe. I'm not really sure how many gallons, but This is where all my main stuff is. Like all my baits are in another box right here. Got the YouTube symbol. Oh, another cool part, another cool feature of this is in every compartment he put like this this solar panels out of this like insulator, I believe. What this is, so that way this stays a lot cooler, and it actually helps a lot. So when I'm on the water and the boat isn't, well, it obviously doesn't get hot at the bottom, but maybe on the top, yeah, but at the bottom it gets cool. It turns this cool. It's nice and cool. You guys kind of get the point. And over here, this hatch is interesting. So it's the same thing as the other side, but in here, he didn't put anything on the bottom, and like the other one has carpet. So he left this as an opening, so that way it could become more of like a dry hatch. So that way, the water, because I do have a leak in my boat, so the water that goes in there will actually dry out a lot quicker if I have that open, if that makes sense. The same thing with like this part of the boat, like right in between here. He had originally made this for my net, and when I do get one eventually, and I'll stick it in here. But same thing, there's no gator skin over that, so that's just exposed, but air is able to flow in through there and dry out the bottom a lot quicker, and the water won't sit in there too long. And then he made a step down right here about what, 4 or 5 inches, and that's pretty cool. I thought that was very interesting, versus just going like straight with the whole deck. And he did the step down, and right here is where all my batteries are. I just showed that to you guys. So I have 2 24-volt batteries, and there's a charger that he stuck right up under in there. And yeah, I'm not gonna get into the wiring because I don't know, I know jack squat about that. There's also another light right here, and there's a cup holder, and there's also a charger right here, a plug-in for my batteries. But yeah, that's like the main gist of the front portion. And then what runs all this is this part right here. This part is beautiful. He put this little cover over the steering wheel. He painted this. He painted the whole console right here. He cut out and made some new switches. So this thing looks pretty juicy. This is pretty much not good right here. I have the screw, but I need to find that. These are all new pump switches right here. So we have the nav lights, the bilge, the aerator, and then the recirc right here. This part's very cool because he had a buddy make this, and I'll put him down in the link description below. But he actually made this whole like plate right here. That's a little water stains on it. I need to clean that. But pretty much Tiny Boat Nation bass tracker with the original logo, and the beaver tee right here, guys. And we got MIKEYWIZARD, cheater baits, and then depth squad down there. This panel came out freaking awesome. This console, the steering console, came out freaking dope. Right in here, he actually put all my fuses and everything to the entire boat. And then right here, this is to give me power, so that way it's not drawing power, so that way I can avoid having a fire later on. So right now there's no power to the boat. I can't turn anything on, no pumps, nothing. But now when I turn it like that, then boom, ready to go. So it's pretty shredicals. Over here I have my seat, still got the seat, boom, same. Gator skins down here as well, and it's pretty, this actually broke on me before, when I gave it to him, it was broken, so it was pretty trash. But now it's nice and sturdy, nice and stout. And then right in here in the center part, he built this part so that way it could be like more of a rod holder, and I actually do utilize that when it's windy. Same thing on this side, got the seat, and then right in the middle we have the live well. The live well is pretty cool. He put these little vent systems in it. I forgot what they're called, but you guys should get them, especially if you live in a hot area. And then yeah, let me show you guys like the pumps and stuff in here, because this is pretty interesting. So if I can get this to stay up. Alright, so right up in here, turn the brightness up so you guys could see the recirc pump is that one. That's the overfill right there. Down there's a plug, and then right up here you see this little tube. It runs down to the side, and that's what fills up the live well. So I'm gonna turn this on. So right here we have the live well actual filling up, and this part, watch. So it's filling up right now. I'll get it to like about up to here, so that way I'll just shut it off, and then oh, and then when you shut it off, This is the recirc pump, so it'll just shoot out water, so that way it'll always be aerating but the same water. And if I push it, if I pull it out, it's pretty cool because the water comes out on the side, just like that. That's new. It's definitely new for the boat. So it'll pretty much suck the water out, and you can put new water in. I do have to plug that up in order for it to actually stay filled. But it's a pretty neat feature on the boat. I've never had anything like that. So yeah, and then we have the bilge pump too. Let me show you guys how well that works, let me show you guys the bilge pump, because that thing works pretty good too. It's like a water hose. Look at that. So that's the bilge pump, because I do have a leak. I'm gonna actually leave that on. So that's the live well. What else I gotta show you guys? Right here, another compartment. Boom. Same thing on this side. That's where I keep all my cameras and stuff. So yeah, it came out super duper nice, guys. The hydraulic things are super nice. The aluminum frame right here is super nice. The boat's actually a little bit lighter than it was before. And now finally, let me show you guys the back. He cut out all this foam, put some new boards in there. The deck, it feels a lot bigger. Right up in here, there's a little GoPro mount, so I just got to stick a GoPro in there, and it'll be set. Oh, and then this part's really freaking cool right here. He actually was able to like somehow make the A back on there, and you guys could check his videos out for that. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I feel like I've been talking for like decades. But here's the back. He's strapped down the gas tank. There's strapped down the battery back there. The wires are all nice and ran, pretty clean up there. The wiring up in there, he got rid of all those unnecessary wires to prevent more fire. There's a light down there. There's gator skins down there again. There's a recirc pump right over there. This overall looks very freaking clean compared to what it was before. You guys can see before and after photos in his videos. And then he didn't do the transom because we're actually gonna do that later when I get a new motor. So whenever this thing is being replaced, then that's when I'm actually gonna have him redo the whole transom. The transom, and then we'll slap a new motor on there. And I'm probably thinking of going with like a 45 Mercury 4-stroke. But you know, that's gonna take some time to get up there to that, because I need to save up for that. I hope you guys really like it. The boat came out stupid clean. I mean, from back to finish. I bought this seat too because he left the little seat thing for me over there. But yeah, the boat came out freaking awesome, guys. This is the final product right here. I could just boom step here, there, all the way to the nose, and call it cool. And yeah, I hope you guys really like this build, so that way you guys could do something similar to your guys's. That way you guys could do something similar to your guys's boat build or boat project or whatever. Me, I can't do that shit. I have no patience for that. So I respect them, and I really do thank Michael Lopez, Tiny Boat Nation, a lot for helping me accomplish this with my boat. I'm gonna try to take care of it as best as I can. She is mine until that motor gets replaced. Boom, she's gonna be beautiful after that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop talking about this. I'm gonna put my chesty on. I'm gonna motor upriver, and then I'm gonna try to catch some piggies today. All right, without further ado, let's get to it, folks. Let's catch some fish, and here we go.
Oh, look at that lizard. Alright, I'm actually gonna, before I go in there, I'm gonna start out here. I'm gonna do a little bit of, I'm gonna attempt to do a little bit of flipping. I'm gonna flip the little 3-inch cheater with a 4-aught hook right here. And then this is a 1-ounce weight, guys. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not the biggest, or I'm not the greatest at flipping. I'm down to do it, because I feel like this time of year it'll work a lot better than any other time of the year. It's just a lot of patience, and came out by myself, and I figured I could do it. Put the pizza sauce on there. And if you've never really flipped before, you don't know what to expect on the bite, you'll be able to feel exactly how the cane feels or whatever you're flipping, even toolies. And then you'll feel what a bite is. It'll be like a... Oh my gosh, bro, I got slaunched right there. Look at that. Oh, I don't think he felt the hook, but that was a good bite. leave this tied on, but I'm also gonna tie on a big cheater on my other rod. See, it's cool because I could sit here and like retie, and I feel kind of cool. Well, I had one. Ah, guys, brutal. I thought we were gonna be pulling fish out like that. Oh my gosh, bro. Ah, damn it. I ain't gonna say anything. That was a good hook set. My hook tip is sharp. I just couldn't pull him out. I just couldn't pull him over all the stuff. See? Gotta get over it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back to where I started here at the boat ramp. I'm gonna load the boat up and I'm gonna get out of here. Unfortunately, I did not catch any more fish, or any fish at all, actually. I got to show you guys the boat, which was probably the coolest part of this video. So yeah, that's the entire boat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys can use this boat as an example for your boat builds maybe, or take some ideas, steal ideas, make them better. That's all I have for you guys today, folks. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll catch you in the next video later on this week or next week. Yeah, enough talking. I'm leaving. Thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed day, like I just said. And fish on, guys. Fish on. Peace, homies.